Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to another drive time. Huh?
I don't know how to say that. How you give me this?
I don't know. I didn't even realize that. You just asked me, I'm like, yeah.
Happy to share that your YouTube partnership appeal was successful and your channel is now monetization again. Our team carefully reviewed both your content and your video appeal. Your appeal helped us better to understand how you create videos, the strategy, da, 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 da. Thank you very much.
Back.
Yes, so I'm back. Let's see. Thanks for submitting your appeal and for your patience while we reviewed it. We realized this was extra work for you, and we appreciate your help in improving our review process. Thank you, YouTube team. You received it. Was this? Yes. Okay. So I am back.
Oh, you have to hit something?
No, it just says give feedback. So if you have additional comments, please share. I want to send them a
Don't stir nothing up.
somebody said the amazing MNG said hello.
Amazing MSG, how you doing?
How are you today, sweetheart?
How you doing?
Says she thumbs up.
Thank you.
Hey amazing MNG, how are you?
You don't have one? She's a real good supporter. I hope she's always perky. Happy.
Let's see. For some reason.
I'm sending Princess AG over to you, Amazing MG.
For some reason.
Reboot his phone.
I'm trying to subscribe to her channel. She said thanks so much for your warm welcome.
You're right. Thank you. We're in Louisiana, heading to Houston, Texas.
I just subscribed to your channel, amazing, and I'm going to watch a video shortly.
I was checking out that video you put up, the short, with you eating that almond. It looked real delicious.
Said, you got lovely roads. You have love. The roads are good.
Oh yeah. They try their best to take care of the roads over here. So this is a major highway from one side of the United States to the other. This road runs you from Florida all the way to California. No, you should have answered.
I know.
You should have answered.
I didn't know.
I don't know where that. I don't have no damn break for them.
You're online.
I got it. Alright guys, this is a short video. I'll be back later on. Thanks for coming.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
The phone is on the driver's side. MG, you know I got your back.
Yeah, he's going to work. He's got to make a phone call.
Yeah, I've got to make a phone call, so I'm gonna end this right now. I appreciate you. Thanks for coming. I'll be back later.
Thank you for everyone for coming. He'll be back.